Every employer needs to provide first aid kits in the workplace in order to meet health and safety regulations. Since 2011, the BS 85991 standard has helped employers meet their regulatory requirements by providing a range of kits which went well beyond the scope of previous first aid recommendations. Following a comprehensive review, 2019 has seen the first revision of the BS 85991 standard to reflect changing needs and current first aid guidance. Manufacturers now provide a range of 6 British Standards Institute compliant first aid kits. Let's take a look. The Small Workplace Kit is perfect for up to 25 people in a low-risk environment, such as an office, or up to 5 people in a high-risk environment, such as a construction site. The Medium Workplace Kit is suited to 25 to 100 people in a low-risk environment, or 5 to 25 people in a high-risk environment. For organisations with a higher number of people, one large workplace kit is recommended per 100 people in a low-risk environment, or per 25 people in a high-risk environment. These 3 workplace first aid kits have been updated to meet the most recent guideline changes and provide employers with an easy-to-apply system to help them meet their legal obligations. Alongside the workplace first aid kits, a range of BSI-compliant supplementary first aid kits are also available, which provide additional benefits when used in their own right or in conjunction with the small, medium and large workplace kits. The Travel and Motoring First Aid Kit can cover up to 8 passengers in a car, taxi, van or truck. The Travel and Motoring Kit has received major updates and changes to best treat victims of a typical road traffic accident. The Personal Issue First Aid Kit is a completely new kit designed for workers who are mobile and do not have easy access to a first aid kit, such as cleaning and maintenance staff or security personnel. It is also ideal for trained first aiders, giving them instant access to first aid materials. It is small enough to fit into an overall pocket, handbag or toolbox. The latest addition to the BSI standard is the Critical Injury Pack, designed to bridge the treatment gap between life-threatening severe bleeding injuries occurring and the arrival of the emergency services. The Critical Injury Pack contains specialist items such as a tourniquet and hemostatic dressings. These items are designed so they can be self-applied if required and provide fast and effective treatment to control severe bleeding injuries. The Critical Injury Pack is suited to industries of high risk such as forestry and heavy engineering. In mass casualty situations, medical response teams are prevented from entering an area until it is declared safe. The Critical Injury Pack is also designed to be stored in bulk and quickly distributed to save lives in such an event. BS 85991 2019 compliant first aid kits are available now, so make sure your workplace is up to date. For more information on the work of the British Healthcare Trades Association, go to www.bhta.com. If you would like to know more about the British Standards Institute and the BS 85991 Workplace First Aid Standard, go to www.bsigroup.com.